Hi everyone, today I'm going to be working on this John Deere Lawn Mower. This is a D170 lawn mower that's not starting up. It was running fine, then I got off of it and then it's not starting again. Now if I know I have a hot battery, I can turn the key, my lights turn on, but then I turn the switch, nothing's happening. You can turn it over if you have the parking brake on without sitting on it, but I'm getting nothing right now. What I suspect what happened is these pins right here, if you look under here on the PTO switch, you can grab that pin, that connector right there. You see I have some broken pins on that connector. So I'm going to replace this switch. And this is the safety switch that ensures that you have the mower off before you start it. And so if those connectors break, then it won't turn over. So what I did was I bought this on Amazon, replacement connector. Here's everything that came with the kit. Here's the cable and connector. Those pins look much better. Here's all the connections. Looking at the old one, you can see how corroded it is, and those pins are broke off in there. Before you start cutting wires, remember where they are. Put all those crimps together. Now the colors didn't match, but that was fine. I did them one at a time so that I knew which ones went where. You can see these pins look much better than the ones that were on there. So I may tape these together, clean them up a little bit, but now this just plugs right back into there. Cleaned it all up with some black electrical tape to keep those wires from just hanging around. And it looks pretty clean under there. So I'm gonna crank it up, see what we get. So I do have the parking brake on. I'm gonna turn the key over. Yep, that's what we want. So when I put the throttle, choke it, it'll start right up.